Good morning, Superintendent Shane Johnson from Traffic Services Branch. We've had a heartbreaking start to the Christmas holidays on South Australian roads. 3 people have lost their lives last weekend and another is in a critical condition in hospital. Last Friday night, a woman crashed her car into a tree at Swan Reach and has tragically died at the scene. Then early Sunday morning, a woman was killed in Copley, that's in the state's north, after being hit by a ute. Then also on Sunday, a woman has died in the Barossa after her car crashed into an embankment. Also on Saturday, there was a serious crash at Mount Crawford with the rider of a motorcycle now fighting for life in hospital. These 3 fatalities have now taken the number of lives lost on South Australian roads to 85. Our thoughts are with the family, the friends and the communities during this difficult time. This is a terrible start to the holiday season. We're again asking drivers to please do the right thing. Please drive safely. The holiday roads will now be getting busier, so we're asking road users to please take extra care. We want everyone to be celebrating this Christmas, to be having a good time, not mourning the loss of loved ones. When we talk about doing the right thing, there are still drivers who continue to drink and drug drive. Last weekend, police conducted multiple targeted drink, drug, drive operations with random breath testing and driver testing stations conducted statewide. Police conducted a total of 11,649 alco tests and 272 driver drug tests. As a result of the testing, 49 drivers were detected for alcohol offences, 24 drivers detected drug driving, 32 vehicles were impounded, and 65 drivers have lost their licences. Alarmingly, the highest blood alcohol reading was a 48-year-old from Peterhead who recorded a reading of 0.307 grams of alcohol per 100 mils of blood. Despite extensive education on the dangers of drink, drug driving and the enforcement efforts of police, some drivers continue to put themselves and continue to put other road users at risk. If you drink, drug, drive, police will be out to catch you. We will take your car and we will take your licence. We're asking drivers to please do the right thing. Remember these holidays that life is a gift. We urge everyone to drive safely this Christmas period. Happy to take any questions.
Shane, how frustrating, are those recent stats from the weekend? As you said, all the education and all the information, you guys put out there, just still not getting through to people.
It's extremely frustrating, and we're putting significant efforts into the education piece. We're putting significant efforts into enforcement, and drivers continue to disregard and put themselves at risk and to put other road users at risk. And we know that the fatal 5 contributors to lives lost on our roads include wearing seatbelts, include not speeding, include distraction, stop using your mobile phone, dangerous road behaviours, taking risks, and drink, drug driving. So we're asking all drivers, please be aware of the fatal 5 and practice safe driving behaviours this Christmas period.
Yeah, you guys are obviously cracking down on it. I mean, what would you say to motorists who want to, flaunt that or test that theory?
Yes, police will be out this Christmas period. We will be enforcing the road rules. We will be paying particular attention to those main roads that carry increased traffic during the holiday period. So expect to see police, and we will take appropriate action if you're doing the wrong thing.
And what about your advice to motorists, who are perhaps leaving the city, going to holiday houses or going regionally, the advice for them driving on regional roads?
Sure. Plan your trip ahead. Understand that the roads will be a bit busier. Plan for more time. Be patient. Don't take risks. Make sure you do wear your seatbelt, and more importantly, make sure that everyone in your car is wearing a seatbelt, all your children. Pay particular attention to the roads. Pay particular attention to the posted speed limits, especially as you're travelling through regional towns, if you are travelling regional to a holiday destination. And we just want all drivers to arrive safely and to be able to celebrate Christmas and have a good time.
Is there any areas you guys will be particularly out enforce, any kind of main roads you're targeting, any highways and things like that to make sure people are doing the right thing?
Yes, we will. We acknowledge that those main roads, especially out of the CBD leading to holiday destinations, they do carry typically more traffic, so they will be a priority for SA Police during this period.
And you touched on those three fatalities earlier this week, or sorry, last week. I mean, how frustrating is it to kick off the Christmas season with those 3 or 4 crashes?
Yeah, well, absolutely. We aim for no lives lost on our roads, so to begin this period with 3 is tragic, and our thoughts are with those families. We plead for drivers, please do the right thing and pay attention on the roads this Christmas period.
You mentioned driver distraction. Is that still, a massive issue, even though you've got the posted, 5 or 6 mobile phone detection cameras around Adelaide? Is that still a massive issue? People are still on their phones while driving?
We've got the 5 mobile phone detection cameras currently operating, and yes, distraction is one of the major contributors to lives lost and casualty crashes on our roads. We urge motorists to put their mobile phones away. We're due for a 3-month update on statistics soon, and when those figures become available, we'll have more of an idea in relation to how the education enforcement piece is going in that space. But in the meantime, just drivers, please don't touch your mobile phone. Distraction is a real thing. If you take your eyes off the road for 2 seconds, travelling at 60 kilometres an hour, you're basically blind for a total of 33 metres, and that's at 60 kilometres an hour. So distraction is a contributor to lives lost and casualty crashes, so we ask drivers to please put your mobile phones away.
Do you get nervous this time of year? Does the police force get nervous, with drivers on our roads and doing the wrong thing?
Oh, look, we're committed to our education and enforcement piece, and we will continue to be out there enforcing the road rules and educating the public and providing a high visibility presence, and we just ask drivers, please do the right thing.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.